Hi, I'm Joan.
And I'm Annette.
We live here in Costa Rica, and together as neighbors, we decided that we wanted to have some cosmetic surgery, and we're here today to tell you about our experience.
Yeah, so Joan and I are neighbors, and we, just in casual conversation, we kind of discovered that we both have batted around the idea periodically of having some work done. And so as we got more serious about it, we started doing a little research on different doctors, and we're going to tell you a little bit about our experience having cosmetic surgery here in Costa Rica, as well as specifically with Dr. Araya.
So we researched online first and found that most of the doctors are in the San Jose area, almost exclusively. So that's something you should consider if you're coming to Costa Rica for this surgery. And we ended up isolating 3 that we liked and then interviewed all 3 of them. Of course, one of them was Dr. Araya, and we chose him because?
For several reasons. So because we live here, we had the option to actually go and meet with the doctors, so that was kind of a nice benefit for us. But even if you don't have that benefit, a lot of the things that impressed us you can find online. So one thing about Dr. Araya that we really liked is that he's very highly credentialed, and he is affiliated with the CIMA Hospital. And the CIMA Hospital, C-I-M-A, is pretty well recognized as the most advanced hospital here in Costa Rica. And so that in itself says a lot about him and his, I guess, how he's perceived among his peers and the other medical community that he's associated with.
He's respected by his colleagues as well. So, and in meeting with him, we felt good about our interaction with him. We were very concerned about having a natural result, not looking like we've just had plastic surgery. So it was important to us that he be responsive and empathetic with that.
We ended up choosing Dr. Araya partly because of his credentials, partly because when we met with him, he seemed the most to have thought through what he thought would be best for our particular faces.
He'd already seen photos of us,
right,
which you can do from afar as well. And so he knew what we looked like at that time, and he then thought about and studied these photographs and thought about what would look nice for this person.
We both had lower facelifts done, lower neck and facelifts done. He recommended that I also have my eyes done, and I'm super glad that I did.
So we went into surgery. I went first because I'm the brave one, and then Annette went after I did. And the facilities are top quality. I was especially impressed with the staff there prior to surgery as they're preparing you for surgery. I was particularly concerned that I tend to get very nauseated with any kind of anesthesia. So the anesthesiologist came over and she spoke with me, and she really helped me feel secure in the fact that she was going to take extra care. And indeed, I did not have that problem that I've had in the past.
He met with us the day before surgery. That's when we finalized all of our plans. And that's also when we had our lab work done.
But here we are now. And we're about 4.5 months out.
Right.
And we're both feeling very good with our results.
Right, yes. Right. And before we left, we met with Dr. Araya for a post-surgical meeting. So that was, I guess, 5 or so days out from our different surgeries. And he's just great, you know. I mean, he's very enthusiastic. Like he really enjoys his work and just like making people happy, and I guess he enjoys making people look better, but he just enjoys the
artistry
process,
of it.
The artistry.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
He was very proud. Anyway, he's great. We really enjoyed our interactions with him.
Yeah, he's a nice guy, very comfortable, very easy to talk to. His English is excellent.
Oh, that's a good point, yeah.
And so that was a positive experience for both of us to go have our So we're filming this in January, and this is beautiful Costa Rica and our home.
So thank you so much for taking time to listen to our experience, and I hope you find it helpful and that you feel happy with the decision that you make.